slimming machine. First, I would like to use the cryolipolysis system. You can see 3 systems: cryolipolysis, RF, and cavitation. Now I go into cryolipolysis. You can see, first I need this interface. You can see the work time I can't adjust it. The temperature I can't adjust it too. Also, I need to adjust the intensity. It's from 1 to 1. If I choose manual mode, if you have very rich experience to use this machine, so you can choose manual mode, and then going to this, you can see the temperature and the work time, or you can adjust. Okay, you can see the fat thickness is 40 millimeters. Because the fat thickness of client is 40, so I choose this and go into the. I always start with 60 kPa and okay, after measure the fat thickness, before we do treatment, we need to put anti-freeze membrane on the treated area. Cotton sponge into the handle, also to prevent the fluid go into this handpiece. We suggest that you can change a new one for each treatment. If your customer feel any uncomfortable during treatment, okay. Okay. Press the handle tightly and don't let any air go into the handle or it will can't absorb the fat. Okay? You can see now the fat is full of the handle. Okay? You can see now the light is red. It means there has first 3 minutes warming. It will make the blood circulation. Also can use this to form this handle. It will be okay. Okay, time is up. You can see there has no light now in the handle. And the handle, and now we need to take off the handle. In the area we done today, we suggest that don't do this same area by cryolipolysis within 45 days. Okay, now we start our cavitation treatment and fat thickness. Now we start our treatment. Okay, we need to put ultrasonic gels. It will make the after you press start to do treatment. Please do treatment right away. Don't say after cavitation treatment we start the RF system. You can see according to your customer's feeling. If your customer can take it, you can go higher. I always also same with the cavitation treatment. We need to put some ultrasonic gel. After cavitation, after we using the cavitation hand. We start to do small RF treatment. It is only for face. You can do double chin and face lifting. Go into, okay, we choose small RF because the fat on the face is not too much, so I use 5. If your customer can take it, you can go up. That's okay. And now we start our treatment. Also, same with the cavitation and facial RF treatment. You need to put some ultrasonic gel on the treated area. You know, after from age 20 to 25, the collagen underneath the skin will become loose. So the radio frequency technology will encourage the new